Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Event Decor and Designs by Aisha, and welcome to my channel. Well, today I wanted to show you my Easter tablescape setup, and I guess I'm going to say my spring tablescape also, because this is what I'm going to be having on my table. So as you see, I have included some different colors here. I like to change up patterns that's on the table, that matches together. And as you see, I have this beautiful, it's like a teacup. They were $5.99. I got 6 of them in a pack. And I just added this beautiful coaster that I got from Diva Decorating, sent it to me. And I just added my wine glass there, my pink wine glass, as you can see there. I have my beautiful place settings that I got from Walmart. It came in an 18 piece, and I think that was only like $10. I got it on clearance, which I would tell you to search clearance in season or out of season. You still can find some great products. There's my little bunny, super cute. All right, and I have added my table runner down the middle of the table. I put this pink candle here on top of my candle holder. And as you see, there's my white runner that I put there. There's my Easter basket. I've been had this Easter basket for many years. And all I did was just add some beautiful flowers of purple and yellow in the basket, just to give it this beautiful floral centerpiece touch, as you see there. All right, so I added my eggs, different color eggs here on the table. Of course, they're plastic. There is my other little bunny. My husband found these at the Dollar General store, actually, so they are super cute. All right, and I have a table setting of 6. There's my napkin. I actually got this napkin here in my area. They was having a yard sale, and these were only 25 cents. So I got plenty of them. The napkin rings came from Totally Dazzle, which is absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm going to get quiet, play a little music, and let you enjoy the rest of this tablescape. I hope that you all have a happy Easter, and I will see you all in my next video. Be blessed. Bye. Just one more thing I want to say is this coaster here is one that I DIY'd myself. All right, absolutely beautiful. So I just wanted to make sure I said that. The other one came from Diva Decorating, and that's one that I DIY'd.